We got some rain last week, and boy, you can tell it right here on the road down to the boat landing. This trail is impassable for a wheeled vehicle right now. And we're underneath the bridge. That is the Fisher Ferry Bridge over the Big Black River. And we're going to check the water level because we have gotten a lot of precipitation in the last few days. And let's just take a look and see how the river looks from down here. Yeah, pretty muddy. Don't think I can go much further, but that's what the river looks like from under here.